Email writing. Know the differences when reporting factual information. Part 2. Statistics. Are figures used to show relationships between items. Are made more meaningful when directly related to the listener's interests and knowledge. Should be used sparingly. Are easier to understand and remember when displayed as a line graph, bar graph, or circle graph. Should be rounded off. Are more credible when cited with the source and the source's qualifications. Follow us for more interesting content like this.